I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can.
Oh, gosh. Do you remember the cities we visited in order?
Okay, I want to say
They left from L.A., they went to Mexico City.
Mexico was first.
And then flew overnight to Toronto.
Toronto.
We slept on the plane once again and flew to Stockholm.
Sweden.
Stockholm.
Quick stop at the hotel. First shower in 2 days. That was much appreciated.
And then on to Paris.
Wait, Paris, Berlin, London.
And now New York.
Now New York City.
NYC. There were 150 journalists on the plane at all times from 82 countries.
She got to go to every show in every country that she went to on the trip.
Oh, man, it was it was great. The first day, we take off from L.A.
She came out on the plane, popping bottles and champagne.
And she even, poured drinks in our mouths and, we got expensive champagne.
And then you hear Rihanna on the loudspeaker.
Welcome to the mother f***ing 777.
And everyone thought that was going to be the real deal of the trip, so we were really, really excited, looking forward to it.
My gosh, did it deliver. We got a lot of exciting things happening, but not so much of Rihanna.
In between Sweden and France, in between Sweden and Paris, that's when the mood changed, because you need content. You need a story. You need a line.
These weren't fans. These were journalists that were sent out to cover a tour.
But the thing is, we needed an interview. That's what we came for. And passing the third day, we realized we were never going to get that one.
This is Day 6. Day 6. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. We're at CBC Day 6.